This is our Forex blog for April 29th, 2016, and I just want to show you how our Forex trading signals and system is improving. Here's Friday. Now keep in mind these stats are the way I've always done the stats, mainly for my own use. Each day I will fix some patterns, add some new ones, and at the end of the day, document them. So any trade that had some one or more losses that was fixed may or may not show up on this list, and any new patterns wouldn't have shown up on this list live. Usually you can take the number here and divide by half or times by 0.65, and the real P&L is always that or higher, most times. So here's Friday, and the key to trading is small losses, bigger wins. Very big Friday, 633 pips. The average loss, and there's only 26 of them, was 7.6 pips. The average win, 18. So significantly bigger wins than losses, more than 2 times. Previous day, I'm going to subtract this first one here because that's probably the biggest win that any pattern has had, but it might happen once every 2 or 3 years, so we'll ignore that one. So 229 pips. The average loss, 7.4. The average win, 18. And here's Wednesday, 320 pips. More wins than losses, 7.25 average loss, 19 average win, 460 pips, 5.9 pips average loss, and 20 pip average win. So 4 times bigger win than loss, and you clearly see more wins than losses. And that's one of the keys to trading. Here's Sunday, Monday, 360 pips, 5.4 pip average loss, and 20.5 pip average win. So each day I will look at the trades that show up, and especially the ones that are losers, and then we'll, for example, let's say there was 3.256 was one of the patterns. I'll go and look at that particular one and see how many trades there were for that particular pattern, and see how many losers there were, what the average loss is versus the win. And for the last few months I've been keeping all kinds of detailed information on each pattern, so I can actually fix some of the old ones and also the new ones to happen in the future by using the database. So it's a long process, obviously. Each day I fix 3 patterns at the minimum, up to 10 usually at the maximum. And also, like I said, I add new patterns. But here's the euro dollar on Friday. You can see a small loss here, small loss, win, small win, loss, small win. Previous day was a little bit better. You can see a 30 pip win here, small loss, small loss, small loss. Here's the dollar Swiss, small loss, huge win, medium win, small loss, 30 pip win. Previous day, pretty much a break even, small loss. Here's the dollar CAD, nice 30 pip win here, 25 pip win there, 20 pip win here. Previous day, looks like there's just one trade. Here's the dollar yen, small loss, followed by the previous one was a big win, 15-20 pip win, 10 pip win, pretty much 5 pip loss. This one went long right here and got out right here, so that would have been a 5 or 6 pip win. Previous day you can see a very tiny loss here and a very small win there. I'm just going over these just to give you an idea how the system is improving each week. You can compare the results to 6 months ago, a year ago, and see very clearly there's a lot more trades that show up each day. The winning percentage has slowly improved over the last 6 months. The average win-to-loss ratio has remained the same or gotten better. So small loss, small loss. On the right there was a win. Previous day, big win. small win, 5-6 pip win. And there's just so many trades. I could spend hours showing them all, but here's the euro yen. Nice 20-30 pip win, 20-30 pip win, 15 pip win. Nice, beautiful counter trend trade there, mainly because I use a lot of Fibonacci analysis in these patterns. Pretty much break even, small win, break even. And like I showed you, I do keep very detailed statistics on each pattern. There's over 4,000 patterns, and the ones I'm adding now tend to work much better, a much higher percentage of the time in the future than the early ones. I spend most of my time trying to fix the first 1,000 or 1,500 patterns that I put in there. You see a nice win here, small win, small win. And I am also concentrating more on finding patterns that have a lot of nice wins. Here's a nice little double top that was good for about 15 pips. This one maybe made or lost 2 pips. This one made a little bit. And because I am spending more time looking for these tiny 5 to 15 pip wins that show up frequently with a high percentage probability, it's going to, I think, improve a lot of people's trading. You know, trades like this, in here, out for 10 pips, in here, out for 20, in here, clearly in an uptrend, out for 15. This one lost about 8. Earlier in the day, you can see made about 20, made about 40. And here's the last one I'll show. Here's the Australian dollar. Nice little double top here with a new low on the day. The first one made about 30 or so pips. This one made about 12 or 15. This one made about 20. Previous day didn't do very well on this particular currency. Loss. Probably about 18 to 25 pips of losses. So that's it for today's Forex blog. There should be a new version out later tonight. When you bring up the software, click yes for auto update and you'll have it.